Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. I go by the name Dark Mage. Today we'll be working on navigation menu. This navigation menu can be used in your website designs or mobile apps. To get started, I select a frame which will be the desktop. Then under design, I change my height to 100. Then I put the layout grid, select columns, make it a 12 count, 150 margin, and 30 gutter, and we are good to go. The next step is to create a make-believe logo. So we'll be going with my logo. So this is bold 36 and I'm using Enter font. Then I'll click on my align vertical center to align it to the middle of my frame. Then I'll change this to a 16 and change this to a medium. Then select on my text. Next is to put my nav links, which is home. I'll put another one, about. Then I'll put another one, services. And the final one is contact. Next, I'll clamp down Shift A. I like renaming my frames as I work, so I have the home. Then select this and put this here. It's side by side. We'll have to change it to this way. Then move the home to the top to have this below. So have this. The line, I want to make it thicker, so I'll make it to 2. Same thing here. Shift A to get an about. Then put this here. Same way. Then click on the frame, which is the about frame, and make the auto layout to vertical direction. Click on my about, move it to the top, and we have this. So improve this to make it 2. Then here, Shift A, this will be my services. Select a line, draw my line here, make it a 2. Then select the services frame. Then here, move it up. Then finally, I do that for contact. Rename contact. My line here, make it a 2. Select the contact frame, vertical, move the contact to the top. Now we see we have this. To properly place them, I select all of them, do Shift A, and it comes together. I put it in the middle. Then I want the spacing to be 16. Move this to align properly with my grid, and we'll have it. Then right click to ungroup. Now we have this. Here, for some reason, so back to this. So I'll select all this. Okay, they're properly aligned. Now I'm going to duplicate this into 3 because I want the total to be 4. Here, then we now have 4 of them. Now we'll have the default, which is the home. Here I want to remove the line for all of them. Then here, for the second, I'll be removing the line from home, services, and contact. For the third one, I'll be removing the lines for home, about, and contact. Then finally for this, I'll be removing the line for home, about, and services. Now we have all four. What next? I click on this, go to my prototype, and start connecting. For the default, we're not connecting the home, rather we are connecting the about to the about section. On click, navigate to desktop 2 as that is what I named it. You can rename it. Smart animate is out 800 milliseconds. Then go to the next one. Then finally here. Okay. Then same for services. Move it this way, and this way. Then finally for contacts, this way, and finally this way. So you can decide to change the colors of this with the line. So let's try that. Let's go back to design. So instead of making it pure black, let's go with like the color. So this is Ctrl C. So want this, as it changes, we want the colors to change. Now we are done. We go back to our prototype, click on flow 1 and play. And voila, we have this. So see, it changes. As I click on it, it changes. Okay, so for some reason I forgot to connect the home. So we'll go back, do this, and do this, and do this. Now when we go back, we'll see that our home is connected. So voila, we have it completed. You can decide to increase the delay or decrease the delay. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, share, and like. Thank you. Until next time.